Here's the key fob for the Ford Escape. You will need a small flathead screwdriver for this job. First thing we'll do is press down there and get the physical key out. Now we need to get this cover off. So for that, get the key and put it right over there in that slot and give it a firm twist. That's going to help you pry it open just a little bit first. Once it opens up this much, get the screwdriver, shove it in over there in that gap there, and then give it a twist and then just sort of force it in there, and that's going to help you pry this cover off. Just like that, and now it's off. Now let's just set it aside. That's the battery right over there. To get the battery out, again, get the screwdriver, and then first you're going to try and just pull this little clip back and then pry the battery out. See how I'm doing it? Right there, and out it comes. It may take a few seconds to get it out, so be patient with this. The battery side is CR2450. The positive side is marked with a plus sign. The negative side has no markings on it. Check the link in description to buy the new battery from Amazon for yourself, and see it says it over there, plus side up. So let's get the new battery and then put it with the positive side facing upwards, just the way I'm showing, and now press it down to secure it. See, it's engaged by the clips, it's not moving. That's good. Now let's just put this cover back on, and this side has a small clip that slides in there first. Get it in place, then press it down to secure it. Let's get the physical key back in its place, and now let's go and try it out. This is working, and lock button's working as well, and that's it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Thank you.